Spot, come on. You can do it.
He doesn't like
You can do it.
the
Come
other
on.
geese are with him.
You can do it. Come on, hurry up. They're catching you. This is Spot. This is Caddy's baby. He loves Caddy. Come on, Spot. Come on, baby. You're here, you're here. Come on.
I don't know why you guys just don't fly. It'll be faster.
Yeah. Spot. You'll see why we call him Spot. See, he's got all white spots on him. He's so cute. He's so cute.
Hey, Spot.
He talking at Caddy.
I know. It dropped, Spot. Here, Mama Spot.
There's Mama Spot.
Oh,
There's
no.
Spot.
We got invaders.
Oh, Spot,
Oh.
you're so sweet. Look
Where-
at you.
He wants a fishy.
Where'd he go?
No, Blue wants a fishy from John.
Oh, Spot, you're so sweet.
Here, Mama.
You're so sweet.
Hey, holy goose, knock it off.